Hi, it's HardReset, and today I will guide you through a beginner's guide on HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. So first go into the settings and connect to a Wi-Fi. Just select the nearest Wi-Fi and type in the password. Then home screen and styles, wallpapers, more wallpapers, and here you can search for the wallpaper that you want and then here select it. Go into the always on display and here you can customize it as well, changing for example the clock, the graffiti images, and here we have the icons as well. You can search for more icons, but it's just for personalizations. Then display and brightness. I'll recommend keeping the automatic brightness and enabling the dark mode. You can schedule it, but I'll enable all day because it will consume much less battery. Then text size and weight, here you can change it. Sleep mode, select the lower values I'll recommend, so it won't consume as much battery, but I'll stick with 5 minutes for now. Then go into sounds and vibration. Here you can change the volume, the default volume button control, so it will control the media or write tone to your preferences, and phone write tone, you can change it right in here. Notification and status bar, so right here you can hide notification content, awake screen, so when you turn it on, the screen when notifications are received will turn on as well. Then battery, here you can enable the wireless reverse charging and show the battery percentage in the battery icon, as well check the battery health. While we're in the battery health, you can set the custom charging limit. When smart charge is disabled, the battery will charge up all the way to 100% whenever the charger is connected. But now we can change this value to, for example, 90%, and that your phone will automatically charge only up to 90% to save your battery health. And you can enable the smart charge that will charge your phone to 80% and automatically will reset your schedule to charge it up to 100% when you most need it. Then into the security, here you can lock some apps that you want to be only for your eyes. And then system and updates. Here we have software updates. You can check for updates right here, but as you can see, my software is up to date. If it's not, then I'll recommend to update it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.